Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna learn how to fix Instagram direct messages because sometimes these are not working. So first of all, you must look for your settings in your mobile and check that your data and your Wi-Fi are available, because sometimes you are not in a good Wi-Fi network or your data in your mobile number is low or this has been over. So please, you must to check that. Okay. And obviously, if this is correct, if you're not having any trouble or issues with your network, you are going into your settings again and look for the apps. Here in apps, I'm going to manage apps and I'm going to write Instagram in this case. So if I open this manage apps, I'm going to be able to have three options at the bottom of my screen: clear data, uninstall, or force stop. I recommend you to clear all the data first, clear the cache, reboot your cell phone, and if the direct messages are not working yet, clear all data. Okay? Obviously, you must remember your username and your password, because if you clear all data here in the manage apps, the account, the session that you have opened into your cell phone is gonna be lost. Okay, so please check that, your username and your password. The second option is to force stop. So when you tap on it, you're going to reboot your mobile again and see if the direct messages are working. And the last option is to uninstall your Instagram and install it again. Okay. If you have made all those steps, you must go to your direct messages, try to upload this. Sometimes this works and the new messages are going to get into your inbox, and that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram direct messages if these are not working.